there, welcome to another video. And I wanted to thank my friends, the good people in Triangle, Brooklyn, for always taking care of me and my bike. Well, I went yesterday to check if they had the spools for my Bonneville Bobber, and they did. And so thank you guys, thanks for this amazing gift. And well, it's very easy, guys, to just put the spools in the bike. You just open your box, make sure you have the right Allen key, and then well, as you can see, it's very easy to install them. Again, thanks Triumph of Brooklyn for my amazing gift. Thank you guys.